What's going on, family? Happy Tuesday, March the 30th, 2021. And yes, we are winding down to the end of the month. I guess time flies when you're having fun, so they say. Another beautiful day at the in the stock market today. I mean, it was just brutal. Um, just as expected, March is not disappointed. All those goody gains we had back in February have been completely almost demolished by March, by the loss of March. I mean, the stock market's just getting trashed, and it's highly manipulated. It's just nothing but a waste with the stock market right now. Of course, all this money that they decide to go ahead and with what they call the helicopter money. It hasn't kicked down yet. It hasn't done anything, but we'll see what what April does. Hopefully, it gets much better for everyone's sake because a lot of people are losing money. But before I go ahead and continue, I want to thank you guys for subscribing, following, sharing, hitting the like button, leaving us comments. For doing all of the above. Make sure that if you guys can't, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you guys share because this information is very important that we're sharing with you guys. And of course, the video is gonna have to be on Bitcoin. Bitcoin touched 60 G's. Of course, whenever there's a movement on Bitcoin, the rest of the crypto world go ahead and moves towards the direction that Bitcoin's going. So if Bitcoin's moving towards the $60,000 range, the rest of the little cryptos, go ahead and go up. And when Bitcoin does a $10,000 swing going down, then of course the little cryptos go back down too. So that's what they do. They go up and they go down, just like the stock market. But cryptos are not that manipulated as just the stock market. So Bitcoin, if you guys have some Bitcoin right now, an actual coin, kudos to you. If you have two, more kudos to you, and so on, because I mean it's just amazing how it's at $60,000. But most of the people and most of these big companies are going towards Bitcoin now to protect their wealth. But don't forget about the other tokens and all the other cryptos. The ones that are gonna have true meaning as well. Like XRP, like Stellar. I mean Uniswap. We can go all day here. That's just a handful. There's so many that are coming up, left and right, but not all of them are going to be winners. It's just like the .com bubble. Not all of them didn't make it. So this is where we're expecting not all of them to make it. For sure, Bitcoin's there. For sure, XRP's there, and for sure, Ethereum is there. Top three, don't forget the Algo and the Atom and all this other goody stuff. But those top three, those suckers ain't going nowhere. You know, if they do go somewhere, it's going to continue to go up higher. There might be a correction, but I don't see anything going, lower than that. Especially Bitcoin. I mean, there's just more bigger companies are just flopping over there. They can't get there quick enough. So, again, if you guys have some of that Bitcoin, kudos to you. If you don't, try to get a little bit. It's high, but I wouldn't even waste my money on that anymore. Get it on something else. Get it on something that's going to be worth some money that you're going to actually capitalize. Not saying that Bitcoin's not going to be worth any money, but it's too high. Get something that is cheaper and that is going to make you some money, and make sure you see that go ahead and that wealth grow. Thank you guys for subscribing, for following. Hope you guys loved this video. See you till the next time.